Alison here with part 2 of my exercises for lower back pain. Remember, the exercises are just for people who've maybe overdone the gardening or DIY and are suffering from a little bit of back pain. If you have something that you feel maybe a little bit more serious, then please do go and see your GP or your healthcare professional. If you know you have a condition such as spinal stenosis or sciatica, then NHS Choices have some great exercises demonstrated by a chartered physiotherapist, so do use those. Also, if you have osteoporosis, some of these exercises may not be suitable for you, so please do visit the Royal Osteoporosis Society, and they have some really good exercises on there. Okay, so that being said, I'm going to be demonstrating 3 exercises, and the first one is a modified curl up. So you're going to just walk your hands away and come down onto your back. Your knees are bent. You're going to straighten one of your legs, and then remember in the first video I talked about finding neutral spine. So you're going to start moving your pelvis, and you're going to find that neutral spine position. You're going to place your hands into your lumbar region. Okay, adjust your head, just a small orange between chin and chest. Okay, and take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, you're lifting up and then coming down. A little pause and exhale as you lift up and come down. Now remember, this movement is coming from your middle back, your thoracic spine. Okay, I always think about lifting from here. So you're coming up and you're coming down, and it is within your pain-free range of movement. The key factor is that there is limited lumbar movement, so I can feel I'm nice and stable here. I'm not going to exacerbate my back pain coming up and down. I'm not going to make it worse. So breathing out, breathing in. So pain-free range, and let's do one more. And lovely, coming down. Now rest in between sets, 60 seconds rest, change leg and do the other side. So got that neutral spine, breathing in to prepare, lifting up and coming down. Pain-free range, so lifting from the thoracic spine, coming up, breathe out, breathe in, and your pain-free range of movement. Breathing out, neutral spine, and lifting up. Good. Okay, so we've done our 2 sets. Remember, do as many as feels comfortable for you. You could start to increase and maybe aim for more endurance, so between 1 minute to 2 minutes for each set. So I've done 2 sets there. You can do a 3rd set if you wish, but I think two is fine. Okay, so shoulders are back and down, so we're into the side bridge now, which works into the what we call transversus, these deep core muscles, obliques, and into the back, the lumbar region of your spine. Okay, so take a breath in to prepare. You've got that neutral spine, of course, yeah, and breathe out, lifting up, and limited lumbar movement here. Hold, you've got a pause, and coming down. And again, breathing in and exhale, lift. Coming down, notice that we pause, breathing in, exhale, lift, and you'd hold anywhere between 1 to 5 seconds. Coming down, and exhale, lovely, lifting up, and coming down. Okay, so the side bridge. You would then turn over and repeat on the other side. So I might just do another 4. I'm just going to turn myself around so you can actually see. Okay, so knees are together, you've got that neutral spine, you've got your chin, your neck locked in this position. Okay, and this movement comes from here, so lifting up, you've got that limited lumbar movement, okay, and within your pain-free range of movement. So you're lifting up, hold for 5, coming down, and again lifting up and breathe, coming down. So this side bridge with limited lumbar movement. Excellent, and coming down, that's good. Okay, so from here we're going into our last exercise, which is called the bird dog. Okay, and I might just actually turn around this way so that I don't kick the wall. So do remember, make sure you have enough room in your exercise space so that you're not going to kick the wall with this one. So as I said, bird dog, strengthening into the back extensors now with limited lumbar movement. Now there are 2 levels, actually, yeah, well, I was going to say 3 levels, but we'll just go for 2 levels here. So if you are in a lot of chronic back pain, and this exercise can be quite challenging actually, then you would just do breathing in to prepare, you've got neutral spine, you would just do alternate arms, okay, coming down and reaching out, excellent, so that reaching out in front of you, nice and straight, try not to kick the arm out, you know, nice and straight, so reaching towards the horizon here. You're just looking at your mat and then maybe to about 45 degrees ahead. I'm assuming you have a mat, okay, and reaching out and coming down. Okay, so that would be your first level. Now, second level would be bringing in opposite arm leg. Okay, so we're going to take a breath in to prepare. We've got neutral spine, limited lumbar movement, so keep that lumbar spine nice and still, and you're reaching out and coming down. Breathing in and exhale, lovely. Push that leg out, reach. So it's nice and slow, sorry, and reaching out and excellent, coming down. Breathing in, exhale, reach that arm and leg out. Notice my pelvis, my